Hey guys, what's going on? My name is FineMD. I'm a UX designer and welcome back to another video. And if it's the first time, enjoy this video. At the end, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. So this video is going to be a long video, and it's my first time actually recording and showing you guys my work in Adobe XD. I hope you guys like it, man. I did my best to record it and make this as short as possible. If you do get bored, yo man, just watch it on another day or even a couple of hours later. It's not gonna hurt my feelings as long as you like this video. So today we're gonna talk about card sorting. I can never say that word right, maybe because I'm brown. Yeah, card sorting, and when should you apply this technique as a UX designer, why it is good. Actually, let me tell you right now why it's good. I don't want to make this video longer, so I'm gonna try to talk fast. Okay, so the reason why card sorting is a good idea is because it helps you break down the content on each page. So for example, in my site, I have the home page, I got the category page, search result, and the detail page. I'm going to show you what I need to apply on the home page, and then the category page, search result, and the detail page. Detail page is the business detail page. When a user finds a business on the search result page, they go to that business detail page right after that. So I will show you guys the content that will be applied on every single pages and how I break it down, and in this case, how I use card sorting. I'm going to show you guys that in Adobe XD. Usually the card sorting is used by an actual card, like a post-it note or any sort of card, and you write these things down. You do it with a team. But in my situation, since I'm the only designer for my startup and my business partner is the coder and programmer, I'm going to do it in Adobe XD and send it over to him and see if he wants to add more feedback. Quick thing is, when you do these content, think about desktop and mobile. Tablet is not really important, so mobile and desktop are the two important elements. I'm gonna start up now because I know this is gonna be a long video. I don't even know how long it's going to be because I'm talking and then I'm gonna edit it right after this. So I hope you guys enjoy it, man. And so far so good, I guess. So don't forget to give that thumbs up. Enjoy. Alright, so this is the first step that I use. It's called card sorting. So I'm going to do card sorting in Adobe XD because I just don't know how to do proper camera angles and shit with my cameras, and because majority of the time people use card sorting with like post-it notes, cards, and they do it with a team, like 3 people, 5 people, and so on and so forth. Since this is my startup website, I am going to do it alone. Oh, oops, fail. Alone. That's sad. Okay. Well, not really alone. I'm gonna be doing it with you guys, so it's cool. Okay, so first off, let's begin. I don't know if you can see this browser. I'm gonna open Firefox right now. Oh, great. Perfect time. Okay, forget Firefox. You have failed me. Let's open Chrome. Alright, so in Chrome, I'm gonna go to my website, which is what I am redesigning, called zaboom.com. This is how the website looks like. It's good. It definitely works. The user time in this site is very poor. Like, the average user spent on this site is 10 seconds, and in the mobile, like versus the mobile, we have 1 minute and 1 second. As you can see, it's good in mobile but sucks in desktop. The problem, based on the analytics that I got, a lot of things are happening here. Like, as you can see, this is the search engine. You can write the business name or the category, and then it goes to the location, search, and then you got the stay connected social stuff. You have Explore Zaboom, which has all the categories from top to bottom. More will be added, and it has best halal restaurants in Toronto. And they got Explore Muslim businesses in Toronto. What people are talking about, it's the reviews that people wrote. And at the bottom, you got the categories, which is Explore Neighborhood and footers. UX card sorting. Okay, I'm gonna go to like tools and shit. But okay, this is how usually people do it, right? So what we're gonna do is, yeah, here's some other examples and shit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, instead of having post-it notes, and I don't know how to do this properly in my room right now, and obviously this is my first time, so I apologize if I'm like fucking up already. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is how I'm going to oh, I got a review right here. Okay, so so what I'm gonna do right now is, based on the analytics that I've gathered, that I cannot show you guys, I'm very sorry, because it could affect our investors. Yeah, so based on the data that I got from Hotjar is what I use. It's amazing. Hotjar. There we go. Bang. You guys should definitely use this tool. It's also free, I think. They have a free one. Personal. Yeah, so they got a free one. If it's under 2,000 page views a day, you're good. Or you gotta pay for it. I have to pay for it. Obviously my page views a day is more than 2,000. That's with mobile, tablet, and desktop. Right now my desktop user experience really sucks. But then again, a lot of people browse stuff from their mobile too, so probably that's why my mobile is higher than desktop, which is pretty common. Okay, so this is a great tool. I'm sorry for getting off topic right now, but I also want to show you guys which analytics tool that I've been using for the last maybe like 10 years now. Another one is obviously Google Analytics. It's great for beginners. You don't have to be scared about it. They have a lot of basic tools that can help you out. There are a bunch of YouTube tutorial videos on how to use Google Analytics. You guys can learn it. It's free. Same thing with like Hotjar, man. There's a lot of YouTube free tutorial videos. It's very important to know the basic of this, and also Hotjar. You don't need to be an expert and be very detailized. Companies that you guys will be working for, like corporations and shit, they will have a personal UX analyst, and you will be working close with that person. UX analytics do not do design. They just read data, and they work with you to make obviously the product more user friendly. The way we're gonna begin is, since I know my site inside and out, I don't really need to do cart sorting. However, cart sorting is highly effective. Like I said before, man, it's good with group of people. If you're gonna do a 5-page website, you don't really need to do cart sorting, man. It's like some designs or redesigns are pretty straightforward, and I recommend people to follow UX steps. Okay, so I have the homepage. That's number one. There we go, homepage, and then I have the category page. Damn, so much. Okay, I got I'm doing this in Adobe XD if you guys are wondering. I have the search page, and then I have the detail page, detail bins. How cool does that sound? Yeah. Alright, this is way too much. This is way too big. There we go. Alright, cool. Right now I'm just gonna focus on these. What else? Yeah, and then the next step of cart sorting would be login, sign up, forgot password, maybe contact us, about us, things like that. Okay, so let's just click here. Bang, done. So, all right, so I just say random words when I get excited, by the way, so don't judge me. Okay, cool. So now so now you pretty much have to write things that you think will stay on the homepage. So this is my site, so I know. So I'm gonna obviously put search engine. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put search engine. I'm gonna put what else do I need? Maybe an ad. Maybe just one ad if I'm lucky. Links. No, I'm gonna have that. Let's see. Footer, links, which is easy, and then top. See, now I feel like organizing everything. Top links, which will have top links will have login, register, write a review. About, which is very important. About is obviously explaining about not the country, the company. What else do I have? I got a search engine. I got one ad possibility. That's like the least of my worries. Top links is important. Okay, so now what I need is some sort. These are great, but I'm still not thinking in terms of SEO, search engine optimization. Like, how can I bring in more traffic to my homepage? I need it to be updated automatically. New biz, maybe. Review, I guess recent reviews. So these two things will definitely make the page updated, maybe daily, maybe weekly. As long as it's weekly, I don't really care. That's great in Google's point of view, Yahoo's point of view, Bing's point of view. It's also good. By the way, like, UX design is not only about creating a user experience, like a user-friendly website. You guys also have to keep search engines in mind as well, because if you're not able to find ways to bring in users from search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing organically without having to pay these search engines, your site's pretty much gonna get 0 views. So it's pretty important to find ways to bring in traffic organically. Yellow Pages is doing a good job with that, right? They have blog articles right here, which is something that a user will most likely type in the search engine, and it will come to this page. If not this page, it'll definitely land on this page itself, which obviously has a way to search for another business, things like that. And this page just has a bunch of links. This is a very search engine friendly page right here. It has articles, you got links. Like, what more can you ask for? You got social sharings. This is what we have for the homepage. So we got a search engine, we have top links, which will be login, register, write a review, about us. We will have a new business, like a widget, recent reviews, blog, maybe, and then one ad with footer. Now let's go to the category page. What will the category page will have? It will definitely have a search engine. I'll probably stick it at the top. Top links, write a review, about us. Okay, about us, this and that is good. What will be the category have? Best, and then boom, category, and location. What I just did here is pretty much this will help me appear on search engine more frequently. People do search for things like best fast food in Toronto. Therefore, I'm going to be creating a lot of pages that will have different cities, different countries, different categories, like any sorts that we will have and more. So I'm going to go to my category page, which is right here. On my current category page, I have best halal restaurants on Zaboom. Instead of Zaboom, I'm going to put Toronto. I removed that. Search halal restaurants by neighborhood. Yeah, so this is new biz. We have that. Your review weights. I have an ad blocker, therefore you can't see everything. All right, here you go. So as you can see, there's an ad here. There's an ad here. Okay, so the thing about the new redesign, it's not gonna have the category. That's number one. It might not have an ad like that, and it will definitely have an ad like this. This is important. New halal restaurants in Toronto. That will be new biz in location. I hope this is not a boring video for you guys, eh? If it is, just definitely comment below, and yeah, let me know, because editing this video, it's a lot of work, man. Like, by now I could have finished everything pretty much. Okay, so best category in location, new biz in location. At the top, we'll still have the same links. We gotta have a search engine, bracket, small size. Small size. I want to keep search engine on every single page, so it's easier for the users to search whenever they want. This is one of the sites that I love. Airbnb has the best UX design or strategy that they have provided. So I like the search engine here, which is at the very top. I might take this idea and implement it on the other pages, like not the home page, but like the search result page, the business detail page. I hope this performs better than what we have right now, which is very at the top. When you're done cart sorting and you're designing, you can definitely remove the things that you don't even want. Let's remove recent reviews. So I'm gonna put write reviews because some category pages might not have reviews. That's one of the mistakes I've made. I think this is simple enough. What if I want to do like add your biz? Yeah, what if I want to do that? What if I want to have like an add your business link, you know? Yeah, an entrepreneur can definitely come to my page and be like, what do I add in my business? Okay, so that's a good idea. This is the search result page. Go to here. I personally like this page. This page, based on the data that I have with Google Analytics and Hotjar, it has performed very, very well. I think this is very simple, man. Like, it has big images, it got thumbnails, there's an ad icon which need to be more visible. It has a map which is very, effective. It has an ad here, it has a filter. So I'm just gonna add everything that I have here. So search engine top links, okay. I'm gonna do 2 things that I need for the search engine. One is just category. And then SEO names, something just for my brain to understand, that I can easily explain to my business partner. SEO names, search, SEARCH, search pages. I don't need new business. I do not need write review. Add your business, I do want add. I think footer is without an H, isn't it? Fuck. I need map with, I'm just gonna write current design because I love it. No one ever complained about it. The data that I've received, no one complained about it. It's very nice and obviously it's been working. All right, so I got the category. I have the SEO. I have another category where I would need the category name with the location. I have map. What else would I have? The biz list of obviously biz. That will include, let's go a little bit more detail. This is actually fun. That will have address, phone, thumbnails, and image. And by that I mean this big guy here and that. Star rating, yes. Price, yes. Stars, price, range. Definitely need neighborhood. I have the list of businesses. Ad might be 2. All right, so for this one we have search engine, top links, category. There are 2 types. One is for the SEO. Another one is just the category name itself. You have the map, which is the current design, plus whatever the current content is. And then you got the businesses that'll be listed. It will have the content wise, it will have the address, phone, thumbnails and image, star, price range, neighborhood, meal type, category. Oh, this is good enough. This is a page where a user will decide, like, hey, this is good enough content. Wow, I'm definitely gonna come back to the site. Hey Jimmy, check the site out here. Wow, we should let Ali know about this. Hey Mohammed, did you see this new site? That's pretty much how it's gonna go down. Okay, so let's see which one I want to do. Chalk Bazaar. This is actually my buddy's restaurant. If you guys wanna go for a nice Indian, no, like South Asian food, check this place out. It's in 1738 Lawrence Avenue East, Scarborough. I feel like this is the page where I can go content crazy. I think it doesn't deliver as much. This type of content was made, I would say, 4+ years ago. That's when I made this, and at the time, this amount of information was lit. So like business hours, payments, wheelchair, parking, outdoor seating, categories, neighborhood. You got your images. You know, food's really good, yeah. And then you got your name, number of reviews, if you own this business or not, phone number, location, get direction, like, share, write a review. I need, okay, let's take all this here. Okay, let's take all this stuff out. Bang. Okay, here's what I need. I need the biz name, phone, address, images, map, big. I'm just gonna write big. Hours, category, and type, reviews, stars, add photo, write a review button, map, and TTC direction, Uber. It's pretty cool stuff, eh? Look at that. Oh my god, we're making this site 2020, man, and 2019 is coming up. We're making it 2020, guys. Send to your phone. We got the Wi-Fi, takeaway, and we take this food away. Some of these will not be applied for other sorts of businesses, like for a car rental place. This might not be there. What else do we have? It's just for when it comes to food. There is a lot of information that needs to be added. Oh, important. My god, price range and debit. Good for kids, good for groups, maybe be 2 ads, I'm not sure. All right, so we got the search engine. We have the top links which is consistent throughout the other pages, like the search, category, and home. So everything at the top here. All right, and then we have the write a review button. And so for the business, we got the business name, phone number, address, image, map, big, image, okay. Yeah, map big. We have for the map, we got the TTC way to get there, Uber way to get there. Oh, one mistake I made. I don't know why I didn't. Walk, drive. What is that? That share bike thingy. Share bikes. Yeah. Share bike. Gotta know if there's any parking, which is very important. Yeah. So from the map, you have all this option, which is obviously not rocket science. I'm gonna take it. We have Google Map API on our site. It's been very successful, easy to use, and therefore we're just gonna have it as is, and we're gonna make sure that we can apply all of these things as well in it. Okay, so send to your phone. Hours, of course. The current status, which is the status or closed, I think, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is it. Card sorting. Yeah, there we go. Okay. These are the main pages that I highly need to focus on. I know there are a lot of pages, for example, the sign in, sign up page, the actual write a review page, the about us page, contact us page. Like there's so many pages that I need to also focus on. However, these are the main pages that is known for the brand Zaboom.com, and I've broken it down with you guys. Well, that was it. I hope you guys liked it. And if you made it this far, man, good for you. I hope you guys learned something about this. If you have any questions, man, comment below. Just comment below. I actually don't get paid for it because I don't have 1,000 subscribers. So it doesn't matter how many comments I get right now. I'm not gonna make a single money off YouTube. I just hope that this has helped you guys, or especially you out there. Yeah, you who's watching my video right now. And if you wanna follow me in social media, I got Instagram and Twitter. So Facebook, I will have those links in description below. Yeah, thank you. Peace out.